Hey everyone, Damian Wise for your Wise Tips for Wednesday, and I have a guest with me today. This is Chopper, and just wanted to reach out today and talk about gratitude. Um, what we're thankful for. We got Thanksgiving coming up. We got family gets-togethers and things like that. And I was in a class the other day, and we talked about how coming from contribution and being a do-gooder and a giver makes you happy. It's scientifically proven that you will be a happier person if you come from contribution and show gratitude a lot. So take this time, think about it. Who do you know that has really influenced your life? Who do you know that you're thankful for? You really are. You want to change your life. You want to have a great day. Write down who that person is, why that person means what they mean to you, and then give them a call and read that letter to them. See how it makes you feel, and I would love to hear your comments on how that project works. Okay, I've done it today. I'm going to keep doing it. It's one of my goals for this year is just to really come from gratitude and help any way that I can. And one way is to love on your dog. I'm so happy for this guy. I'm so thankful for you because I get to pet him and love him every day unconditionally, and he loves me back. Have a great day, everyone.